Meitei Tribe Union (MMTU) has decided to file a petition to Supreme Court to seek removal of Kuki-Zo community from scheduled tribe list under Indian Constitution. In a press note, MMTU maintained that inclusion of illegal immigrants from Myanmar in Indian voter lists and also under scheduled tribe list violates the Constitution. This has posed a huge threat to the survival of indigenous Meitei community in Manipur. Meitei community needs protection under scheduled tribe status so that it can protect its land, political, socio-economic interests and culture. MMTU maintained that the indigenous communities will be overwhelmed by the influx of illegal immigrants from neighboring countries. The union also stressed on the need for leaders and politicians to come out in support for Meitei's demand for ST status, as it is most important safeguard for survival of the Meitei community.